Hi Year 14, welcome back after Easter. I know that you've all already had a full week back and I hope that you've all settled back in well to Campbell life since returning after Easter. With some of the restrictions lifted, I hope that gives you all a bit more of a positive outlook, and it definitely seems to be much more of a step in the right direction, which is good. I have a couple of messages for you this week. Firstly, I have a message from Mrs. Kutsia regarding your UCAS. She has said that you should be thinking about responding to offers if you haven't already. And so your post-18 advisors will be arranging meetings with you, just short 10-minute sessions with you over the next week or so. And if you don't know when that meeting is, you should speak to your advisor about that. It probably would be better to have a conversation with your advisor before responding to your offers and have a chat to them about what you intend to do. If you have any queries about UCAS, you can at any time, of course, call in with Mrs. Kutsia and speak to her about that. And there will be more information about the arrangements for August, about confirmation process and about clearing and about what's going to happen in August after results, but that will be coming to you shortly, that information. Another couple of just general housekeeping rules, a couple of reminders. The sixth form car park is out of bounds during the day, so at break and lunchtime, boys, you should not be at the cars in the sixth form car park. That is totally out of bounds for you. Bringing your cars, to school is a privilege, and we want to continue to enable you to bring your cars to school should you wish. So please stay away from the cars in the car park from when you come into school until you are leaving. Just a reminder that if you have class period 1, that you should be attending tutor time. So for all of you, that will mean that you will see your tutor at least once or twice a week. Last week, there were a few of you who didn't attend tutor time at all. So please make a point this week of seeing your tutor at tutor time at 8:45 if you have class period 1, and we will be monitoring that. The next thing is you should be in class, either period 1 or period 2 if you have lessons, or be in by 11 a.m, so whichever is earlier. If you have class period 1, you must attend tutor base. Signing out, you must go up to study hall to sign out at 2:35 if you don't have class last period, if you wish, but no earlier than that. Just a wee reminder about uniform. Last week I noticed that quite a few of you weren't following the uniform regulations, and for the whole school at the minute it is full school uniform including a blazer, unless it is a games day. On games days you are allowed to wear your games kit, but that is only on games days. And that should be tracksuit bottoms and not shorts. Now, I have noticed a couple of you wearing shorts and I've spoken to you about that. It's not fair that you guys are walking about in shorts and the younger ones aren't allowed to. So you need to lead by example. I know that there isn't long left for you guys, but you still need to lead by example. So no shorts. Plain black tracksuit bottoms will be acceptable if you don't have school branded ones. So that's black, plain tracksuit bottoms will be fine. If a blazer doesn't fit you on the days that you're wearing your full school uniform, then I know it's quite close to the end for you guys, so there would be no point in buying one, but can you please bring a note in from home to your tutor to say that you will not be wearing a blazer because you have outgrown it. In that case, a black CCB hoodie will be permitted, but only if you have brought in a note from home. Face masks, you must wear face masks at all times indoors, so whether that be in class or any other building, inside you must be wearing a face mask unless you are medically exempt. If you are medically exempt, that's fine, but we will again need a note in from home, please, to your tutor or to myself to say that you are medically exempt, and to prevent staff members from asking you constantly to put a mask on. You also know that in school, inside, and also public transport, you should be wearing a mask. So that was really just some reminders to you, things that you already know, but again, just reminding you about those. We are on the final home run now, and I would like to just encourage you to keep going and to finish well. So, you know, it's not been, for year 14, it hasn't been the experience that you or I or we in school had hoped for, but it is important for you to try and be positive and to look forward. Focus on your assessments, focus on doing your best in the assessments. That's all that you can do at this stage. Just do your best and focus on doing that, and keep your eye to the future. Okay, so keep your eye to the future and what you want to do in the future, and keep that at the back of your mind, and maybe that will help you get through this. It will help you get through these assessments, and just do your very best. That's all that you can do in the weeks ahead. Okay, so have a good day, and I will catch up with you all at some stage, and thanks for listening.